Susu.
Cookie soda, babe.
I'm not touch popcorn. Kiki. Can you listen? See your mouth. See. Give one. One. Say cheese. Yes. I should open the door so this could stop. Should I open the door? Don't worry, I'm coming, okay? Yeah. The boy can eat for Africa. Where are you going? Huh? This is my hair. Okay, right. I write E. Okay, but I write E. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Let's see what you've written. This is your A, and this is your A. A, B, C, D. These are the A, B, C, D. Is that what your teacher taught you? Ah, okay. Let me see. Hibernation. A period of head. Hug. So what you're done with the meat pie? Food is my name. You give the students 3 assignments. Mixes onions, tomato, fresh pepper. Burning now, you're turning it. When you do that, you clear it up. Okay? You don't look about it, doesn't it? Come on. This is my rice, eh? Wait for my chicken. I don't know why people don't like this part of chicken, but this happens to be the favorite part. Look at the rice. I see. Just in a good way. It's my girl's one. This is giving. Everything needs to be one. Oh boy.
The red one is ketchup.
Yeah, it's good.
2,000 years later.
Okay, mama. Okay, stand up. This one is too big for you. Run after the ball now. Run and go and catch it. To talk about this, but before that, if you're new to this space, like I know I got some new subscribers, my name is Chika Oputa, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, my channel is all about lifestyle, motherhood, and everything in between. Okay, I don't know what's happening. It's not just, this thing is not just showing so well, but people ignore it. I'm outside at the moment and I just said I need to rant about something that happened yesterday. Yes, I've been giving you guys some back-to-back content on vlogs and all that. Please, this is a channel you need to stick to because there are more exciting and interesting vlogs and videos coming up you don't want to miss. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. For now, I post videos on Sunday 6 p.m. West African time and shorts in between, so you don't want to miss that. Okay, without further ado, let's just get I discovered a spot close to our place where we can just go to chill out on Fridays if we don't want to go far. Yeah, and they have lots of games there and it's actually very interesting. Yesterday we went there. The place was so cold, like it seems they've been lights, like I don't know how to say it, but they've just been constant lights yesterday. Unlike when you know some people, they're trying to manage maybe their petrol or diesel, they just regulate the number of ACs they put on. But this place at that point in time, all the ACs were on and nobody was there. I want to say people were not there to receive, as in like the AC, the coolness of the place was not being, we weren't shared, so everywhere was just so cold. So we walked in there. I think my husband, and I wasn't wearing, just polo, casual something, polo and trouser. I asked my husband, see me, I'm feeling cold though, that if they can regulate it. He now told me, she better and say no be only me here. And I said, okay, no while. We now talked to the attendant. The guy was understanding. He had to put off the one that was facing us directly, but still, to an extent, it was a bit better. So when the owner of the place came in, he was not like, see the comments he made. I beg you of this AC. The guy now said, the customers are feeling cold. One lady said she's feeling cold, that's why they put it low. And I said, I beg, put her on. And in my mind, I'm like, customer service zero. You, that is the owner of the business. Because you're so proud, as in, you're sure that I'm good at what I do, that everybody must come. That's not true. You don't know, one customer you lose can cut chains, as in chains of customers. I might not be anybody to him, obviously. That's why he said at that point in time I just marked him bad. I told my husband, Biko, don't make a scene out of it. See, he still called this guy and spoke to him and told him, hey, that he was the one that told them to put off the AC. My wife was feeling so cold. He said, okay, no problem. Still, this guy did not put off the AC. He just took the vent up, so it was still very cold. At some point I told my husband, let me go outside, and I told my man, please don't make a scene out of this. So just tell him politely. He still spoke to the still he didn't put off the AC. I went outside to receive hot air, so I'll be able to come in. At that point, a lot of things are just going through my head. I work in a customer service unit of my office, and I know what it means for customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is key, because in my scorecard I have customer experience. So when I don't get a good score, I know it hits me. So somebody treating me bad, I felt so good, and that was just, my husband said he knew obviously. Now I said, now I can't come back there ever again. They do shawarma. They are good at what they do. They do shawarma. It's a cafe. They do shawarma, burger, tiger nuts, a lot of all those, anything you get in cafes, and their prices are not moderate though. To an extent, it's a bit outrageous, but people just patronize because of who they are, in quotes. But when your customer service is zero, you as the owner of the business, you don't take ownership. You're not entrepreneur, as in your customer centricity is zero. As in, I was just, sorry I'm shouting at this point, but I was very angry. But at that point I said, I know I best also. So as I was ranting before, at the end of the day we left the place, and that was just it. So thank you guys for watching a day in my life. This is actually the continuation of the first one. Just ignore it. I'm on the road. Our rice is almost exhausted, and my husband stopped by to buy it at somewhere. We buy it along the road. So see that glow. Oh boy, I am stressed. As in, stress is an understatement. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please just hit the, once you just click click on the video when notification pops up. Well, the first thing you should do, just like. Please, I'm begging you guys, just like my video, and after liking, watch from start to finish. You comment and subscribe if you have not. Let us go on the streets of YouTube. Please, Biko, my knees on the ground. I am begging. Okay, thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.